If you skipped this video, you just skipped everything. This is your chance to experience the future, and maybe even get it for free. Let's show you why the Pixel 10 Pro XL is rewriting the rules. Introducing the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Sleek, silent, smarter than ever. Crafted from precision materials, built around pure performance. Inside, the new Tensor G5 chip runs Gemini Nano 2.0, your on-device AI that learns, adapts, and elevates every experience. From dynamic translations to proactive assistance, AI doesn't just react, it predicts. Capture clarity in chaos with a 200-megapixel Pro AI camera. Every shot, flawless. Magic Editor gets smarter. Night sight gets brighter. Your memories reimagined.